Ijoollee sagantaa keenya jaallataniitu miti abdii guddaan qaba. Ittaanee National Geography fi seenaa waa'ee jaalalaa walii wajjin daawwannaa. Ammasitti turtii keessan Inkoo ijoollee wajjin haa ta'u.
Yesus baay'ee na jaallata.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Inkoo Geography. Today we're going to see about some kind of cool creatures that was here a long time ago on this earth, on the same world we're living in. These are creatures are extinct creatures. Like, we're going to see about extinct creatures today. There are a lot of extinct creatures. Sometimes you wish these creatures are still here, and sometimes you're happy they're extinct. So guys, welcome back, and we'll see about this geography. Like, when we list some of these creatures, for example, there's a Smilodon. Like, a Smilodon is an extinct cat. Like, it's the biggest cat among all the cat species. What makes it special among all cats is have the longest teeth of them all. Like, the Smilodon's nickname, like, maybe you know the movie Ice Age. You could see on that movie, the saber-toothed tiger. It's the biggest cat in the whole world. It has the longest teeth in the entire world. Now, when we go to the next creature, it's going to be the woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoths are species of the elephant kind, and like elephants are the biggest creatures, or the biggest mammals on land. And the mammoth are relatives with this creature. Like, the woolly mammoth is big. What makes it different from the elephant is it's twice the size of a normal elephant. And also, its tusks used to grow longer. Plus, it has the most beautiful and too much not colorful though. It's brown though. It has a lot of fur on its body that helps it to control the weather, like the temperature on like a cold place. Like, they actually live in the Antarctic places, so this kind of stuff helps it to keep themselves warm. Now, the next creature is a titanoboa. Like, when you see from its name, a titanoboa is a, titanoboa is a big snake. The nickname for a titanoboa is Titanic snake. The Titanic snake, it grows up to 42 feet long, and it's 2,500 pounds. What makes this snake special is it's the largest snake ever existed on Earth. And it's an apex predator. It used to choke its prey down to death. And what's the fact that makes me scared of this creature is it used to eat its prey whole. That means, like, it swallows you just once, like full piece. No hand, no blah blah, it just eats you full. Now, that's scary. That's something you would never want to exist on this earth. And the other creature is a megalodon. What's a megalodon? Maybe some of you may see the movie The Megalodon. A megalodon is the biggest shark to ever exist. It's so huge that nobody ever challenged this creature. It grows up to 60 feet length, and it's the biggest shark ever existing on Earth. And the other creature is going to be the Leviathan. The Leviathan is a relative of the whales that are living now, known as the sperm whales. They are relative with this whale, and what makes this whale special is its teeth. All its 40 teeth is the longest teeth in the entire world. It reached up to 14.5 inches long, and it's like the scariest teeth in the entire universe. This creature used to bite its prey, kill it instantly. Now, the Leviathan are enemies with the Megalodon, because these two creatures, they don't live in the same ocean. Never in the entire world. Like, these two creatures are like competitive to each other. The one kills the other kills the other. Like the circle of life. And the other creature is the Deinosuchus. The Deinosuchus is some kind of creepy name. You have Dino, then Suchus. Though, you know what this creature is? It's a crocodile. The longest crocodile to ever exist. It's 35 feet long, and it's like scary, too scary to ever dream of being beside it. So I guess extinct animals are bad when they're extinct, and some are very, very lovely that you don't want them to be extinct. There are a lot of creatures who are created before us, and who knows what's gonna come after us. So kids, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that extinct animals give you a lesson somehow. So extinct animals will be remembered because they have a big history. And today is a mystery. Actually tomorrow is a mystery, today is a present, it's a gift. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Until we see you next time.